Okay students, welcome back. Coming to next topic, that is about data exploration. The data exploration is the process in which when in the data processing life cycle, if you deploy the not deploying, it is when we identify the problem in an organization. Okay, what is data exploration? Data exploration is nothing but the volume of that organization within and outside the organization is immense. That means what we organize in the firm related data within the firm or outside the organization is immense. Most of this data is unstructured, which is still trapped by the organization for analysis purpose. That means it is not available to everyone. In the data analysis process purpose, the data can be explored to the project people who who can in the project, that is in the business analysis process. Okay, that means the volume of data that particular organization within or outside the organization is immense. Most of this data is unstructured, which is still trapped by the organization for analysis purpose. Okay, this data is of no use if the meaning of the data is interpreted connectedly and the result of the analysis are not presented before the target audience. Okay, data exploration is about the searching the data for meaning, whereas data visualization for communication process. Data visualization is one of the way what we gather the data that can be is communicating the meaning of the data to the concerned audience. Concerned audience are nothing but the people in the project. Okay, first of all, we learn about the data exploration. In that situation, first of all, what is data? Data is nothing but the collection of related information in particular organization. That information is in the form of text format or multimedia content. Okay, next coming to next, that is data can be. Okay, we observed this point, that is data can be defined as the representation of facts and concepts of instructions in a formalized manner, which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by human or electronic manner. Okay, the what we take or consider or connecting the data can be suitable for communication, and it communicated in the electronic manner or human interaction. Okay, the concept and facts of particular data or instructions in a formalized manner, which should be suitable for communication and interpretation or processing by humans or electronic manner. Okay, data is represented with the help of characters like alphabets, digits, or special characters, etc. Okay, with the help of characters like alphabets, digits, or special characters, etc. How can they identify? How can they identify particular data? That data can be identified their alphabetic order or digits or special characters. Okay, next coming to this point, variable identification. that means identify predictor. Predictors are nothing but the inputs what we given, and target, that means output what we received of particular variables. Okay. Next, identify the data type and category of the variable. That means simply we can identify by what type of data can be defined in data type and then categorized with the particular variables. That means names, place, whatever it is, etc. Okay. This is about data exploration process in the business analysis process. Okay. Coming to next topic, that is business. In the process of business analysis, what challenges are we faced commonly? Okay. That's by observing the first point, that is customers and market volatility. That means how it can be uh, how it can be maintained and volatile, how it is, how long it is observed in that particular organization. Okay. By observing this, customer and market volatility, that means combination of lingering tough economic conditions and increased the competition makes today's customers more price sensitivity and less brand loyal. Okay. It is a combination of lingering tough economic conditions and increased competition makes today's customers then that can be increased more price and sensitive and less brand loyal. Now social media can instantly alter market and sales projections. That means simply it can elaborate by using the social media, can instantly alter market and sales projections. That means simply social media gives an impact on business activities. That means, okay, a celebrity making a casual mention of a particular product or give service on Twitter or Facebook. These are social medias available at present. That product, about that product, that it can be casually mentioned or service on Twitter or Facebook, can instantly and unexpectedly drive up demand. Okay. If he gives a bad reviews on social media sites, can quickly send buyers to a competitor. That means he is a very famous on the market levels, either in good way or bad manner. Okay. For particular organizations, using data that is weeks or even hours old might miss these trends. For example, taking consider on a particular organization using data that is weeks or even hours old might miss these trends. To be of value, analysis must be completed within the useful lifetime of the data. Okay. First challenge is customer and market volatility. A combination of lingering through economic conditions and increased competitions make today's customers more price, that means sensitive and less brand loyal. Now social media can instantly alter market and sales projections. Taking simply a celebrity make a statement for a casual mention, either good or bad manner, the demand of particular product will be raised based on the review. Okay. By this, an organization using the data that is in weeks or even hours old might these trends to be of value, analysis must be completed within our useful lifetime of the data. Next challenge is observed, that is rapidly growing volume and variety of data. That is, by observing this volume and variety of data, that means compounding these challenges is the enormous and ever expanding amount of data that must be quickly, effectively and securely managed. That means simply, when an organization faces challenge that about the particular organization enormous and ever expanding amount of data, that means that must be maintained in quickly, effectively and securely managed. That means a costly and time consuming challenge for a business of any size. In today's environment, more sources of data are needed to accurately spot, chart and evaluate market changes and trends. That means simply based on the present situation, every organization or individual business can maintain their own data in different ways in a quickly, effectively and collected data should be securely managed. A costly and time consuming challenges for a business of any size, that is maintained in any way like spots, chart and evaluate market changes and trends. Aggregating such data into a business analysis effort can require great resources. Doing so improperly can easily introduce errors that jeopardize corporate security and in a business analysis process can require great resources. Doing so improperly can easily introduce errors that jeopardize corporate security and regulatory compliance. Next challenge we are commonly faced in the business organizations is about their cost. Okay, more than one third of respondents cite cost as the biggest concern in adopting business analysis. Economics conditions have put many IT projects on hold. Many companies are extending the life of installed solutions just to avoid capital expenditures. That means simply another phase we are commonly faced, that is cost. More than one third of respondents cite cost as the biggest concern in adopting business analysis process. Economic conditions have put many IT projects on hold. Many companies are extending the life of installed solutions just to avoid capital expenditures. Okay, these are the main challenges in an organization, particular business, in business analytics, that is customer and market volatility, rapidly growing volume and variety of data, next phases coming to next challenge. Next challenges are maintaining staffing for that particular organization for business analysis process. Okay, Coming to next challenge, that is about completely about particular staffing of particular business activity, that is staffing. Okay, by observing this staffing, a 15% of respondents say they simply do not have the in-house expense to implement business analysis process. Simply staffing, a 15 percentage of respondents say they simply do not have the in-house expansion to implement BA. BA is nothing but business analysis process. Adding staff with business analysis skills sets would incur additional employee expense, including salary and their benefits and other cost. Okay. Next challenge we are commonly faced in business analysis process, that is about staffing. 15% of response say they simply do not have with business analysis skills sets would incur additional employee expenditure, including salary and their benefits and other cost. Coming to next challenge, that is complexity. Okay, coming to next challenge, that is complexity. Next challenge is complexity. Another 14% find BA systems too complex. That means simply the complexity means raising more problems for the business analysis process. A huge amounts of IT time cannot be dedicated to manage any project, since much of the staff's time is needed just to keep basic operations running. That means simply in the business analysis process, more number of staffs can only manage and particular project, since much of the staff's time is needed just to keep basic operations are running or not. Simply they observe about running of the project for business analysis process. Here again, bringing in a complex solution which many perceive BA to be would consume valuable IT resources need elsewhere. Okay. Another challenge we are commonly faced, that is complexity. Another 14% of the find BA systems too complex, use amounts of IT time cannot be since much of the staff's time is needed just to keep an eye on basic operations running or not. Simply observe the basic operations. Hence, again bringing in a complex solution which many perceive BA to be would consume valuable IT resources need elsewhere. Okay, coming to before last challenge we are faced in business analysis process, that is duration, how long it is. That means 12% also feel that in the business analysis process solution take too long to deploy. A particular problem we are raised in the business analysis process, final conclusion can be deployed in that particular company. Companies do not have staffing to invest in an implementation they fear could take months to yield results. That means simply the duration takes place for deploying the project can take more time. That means only 12% also feel that business analysis solutions take too long to deploy. Companies do not have staffing to invest in an implementation they fear could take months to yield result. It commonly feels that what it could take how long, that fear only take months to yield results. Okay, another one is final one for facing challenges. Business analysis say they are overwhelmed with the large amount of raw data needs needed to get useful result from business analysis. That means only 4% of people say they are overwhelmed with the large amount of raw data. That means not divided, only particular data means not divided where it is, what type of data it is needed to get useful results from business analysis in the business analysis process. These are common challenges in every organization in the business analysis process. The business analysis staff could commonly face in particular organization, that is the data and their duration, complexity, staffing, maintenance of staff, and another one is customer and market volatility, rapidly growing volume and variety of data, and cost. These are commonly challenges faced in every organization or firm or business activity for business analysis process, where analytics can face these challenges, that is customer and market volatility, rapidly growing volume and variety of data. Third one is cost, and fourth one is staffing, about the staffing, and fifth one is complexity, sixth one is how long it is taken, and what percentage of people commonly feel that, that is duration, and next one is data, about raw data and where it is how overwhelmed for useful results from business analysis process. Okay, these are the common challenges we are commonly faced in every organization in a business analysis process for business analytics. Okay, thank you.